my name is Bayna and I am the owner of Designs by NYC. Today I just wanted to show you guys how I bling out my phone cases. As you can see, all my pieces are placed in the order that I wanted them to be, and they're fully glued. I had them sitting for about like an hour and a half, I want to say, so that I don't have to worry about them shifting when I go to place up my rhinestones and my pearls. So today's case is an iPhone 7, and the tools you'll need for this project is a wax end pickup tool, E6000 glue, tweezers, a face mask, and last but not least, your rhinestones and pearls. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to place my rhinestones and pearls on the side of my cell phone case. This is easier for me when it comes to picking up and placing them on my case. And I'm just going to leave the rest of them in the container and put that to the side. Please, everyone, don't forget to put on your face mask. I highly recommend that when you're using E6000 glue that you wear your face mask. This glue is very strong and it is known to cause cancer if you inhale it too much. So please be in a well ventilated area and wear your face mask when using this glue. So normally when I bling, I start in the middle and I work my way on the outer parts. But today, I'll just show you guys by blinging the outside first and then working my way in. So you want to make sure that you use enough glue so that your pieces won't fall off and they won't shift. Because we all know with moisture and dropping them and, a lot of wear and tear, the pieces will fall off. So to make sure that these cases last as long as we can get them, I use a generous amount of glue. And also this glue dries really, really fast. So let's get started. The pieces or the rhinestones, the size of the rhinestones and pearls that I typically use are from 2 mm to a 8 mm. And the reason why I like going to a 2 mm, you'll see in a few minutes, is because sometimes when dealing with rhinestones and, with all different sizes, you come across areas where you can't place the rhinestones because it's too big. So what I like to do is I like to keep them around just in case I come across, sorry you guys for the shaking, come across the the areas where I just need a smaller rhinestone to be placed there in order for it to work. You want to fill as much of the phone case as possible. You don't want to leave any openings or anything like that. You want to close it up and fill it up as much as you can. And also when you're blinging, you want to spread out the colors. You don't want to keep putting green and green and green near each other. You want to mix it up and blend up the colors as much as you can. And try to pick 3 different colors. I tend to go with 4 sometimes, but try to pick between 3 and 4 different colors so that you can make it pop and you want your pieces to stand out as well. You're going to see what I'm talking about right here. So as you can see right here in the corner, I have like a little opening. That's when the 2 mm rhinestones come into play. They fit perfectly in them small areas. And you don't have to worry about leaving that big gap open. Perfect. Just push down on it a little bit. And I'm just going to place a little rhinestone in there. Being a blinger comes with a lot of patience, you guys. You see this rhinestone? I deal with this all the time. But enough of the talking. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them in the comment box below. Thank you for watching. Now let's speed it up.